Okay, guys, here are my two new dirty birds. Now, the gray one is supposedly a male, and the name is Mickey. And the white one is supposed to be female, named Minnie. How original. Okay, now, I'm gonna have to excuse the floor, but here we go. Over here, that's Mooch. There's his introduction, folks. Mumo. Yeah, aka Mumo. Okay, that's Mooch. What are you doing, Mumo? Now, alright, we're gonna scan back up to the dirty birds. And I just might change their names. I don't know. For some reason, that Mickey and Minnie, not liking it. But over here, in my closet, right there with the shiny eyes, is Maisie Grace. She's upset with her mommy. Yeah. Mommy had to shoo her away a little bit. I had the two dirty birds on my shoulders to get used to them with me. And she wanted to come up, and these two over here, who are huddling together now, hiss. And they started having a dirt bird fit. Dirt bird 1, dirt bird 2. Yes, there's dirt bird 2. Gray is 1, white is 2. Dirt bird 1, dirt bird 2. Yeah, I see you over there. What you doing? What you doing? Alright, let's see. I found Moochies now. Hey, Mooch. Mumo. What you doing? Moochie. Handsome. What you doing? Dirty boot. Dirty butt. Mooch. Oh, Mooch. Okay. Alrighty. Thought I'd share this video with you guys. Have a great one.